That is really high. Like, I think probably the tallest thing I've ever seen in my life.
It
Besides-
is the tallest building in the world.
Well, then that would explain it. My neck hurts just looking at it.
Welcome to Dubai. We're currently standing in front of the Burj Khalifa, which is the tallest building in the world. It's about 2,700 feet, and yeah, it's really up there. This is our first time in the UAE. We actually have like a 24-hour layover flying through, so we're spending like one day here and trying to see as much as we can during that time. So we figured this would be the perfect place to start, and it is quite tall.
Yeah, that is just ridiculous. It doesn't even fit. It doesn't even fit the skyline, you know?
Fun fact about the Burj Khalifa that I read was that it was built in like the early 2000s. I think it took like 4 or 5 years, but the original group who like had started it, I think there were like some financial issues, but it was originally going to be called the Burj Dubai, but then the leader at the time, Sheikh Khalifa, he put money towards it, and then the name was changed, and now it is Burj Khalifa. At least that's what Wikipedia says. I think that this was finished in 2009. I don't know. Everything in Dubai is like a little bit more spread out than I feel like it seems, or at least what I thought before coming here. But the Burj Khalifa is right next to the Dubai Mall, so we can probably check that out first. I think that there's this like part of the mall here, Dubai Mall Souk. I don't know if you want to walk over there.
Oh, I wonder if
Check that
that's
out.
more like regular souks, you think?
I don't
like
think
little
it's gonna
shops?
be like a traditional souk. I think it's gonna be like a mall that's made to look like a souk.
Okay.
I think there are some traditional souks in Dubai though, but I don't think this one is.
This is where we want to be. Look at this hallway. It's very aesthetic. It's like a souk.
This is what I want my house like hallway to be.
Yeah. One day.
I'm turning in for the night.
Do you need your turn down service?
Yeah.
Should we go to the other side of the mall?
Yeah. The
Main-
main part.
Main mall? This is the main side of the mall. You can see it's a lot more busy than the souk side.
This is definitely the most crowded mall that I've ever seen, but there is an aquarium right in the middle of the mall, and it's massive. There's tons of fish, there's sharks, there's stingrays, and it's so big. I think you can go inside too, but there's also a lot of the aquarium that you can see from just walking through the mall too.
This, I think, is the coolest part of the mall. Like, I have never been to a mall with an aquarium. I don't even know if there's a mall that exists that I know of that has an aquarium besides this one. I thought it would just be a fish tank when I first heard about it, but it's like this thing is no joke. You got to buy the tickets and go inside just to see the aquarium, and then like the fish tank, like the teaser is on the outside.
And when you're done with your shopping and your aquarium viewing, you can go right to the Cheesecake Factory. Things that I did not expect to see in Dubai. A Cheesecake Factory. We also saw a Texas Roadhouse, which is like shocking to me that there's a Texas Roadhouse in the Dubai Mall. I don't know. They have everything here.
I heard that Cheesecake Factory and Texas Roadhouse actually originated here in Dubai. Just kidding, that's not true. You can see Haley over there looking at the different types of cheesecakes. That's what she's probably doing on her phone, looking at different cheesecakes. We heard there was a waterfall in here when I first saw it. I thought it was just this. And we were like, man, that's a small waterfall. And then it's like, once you go up the escalator, you can see the rest of it. Got a little bit fooled for a second.
I think I'm feeling a little mauled out.
Mauled out.
It's a big mall. It like takes forever to walk around, and we kind of got lost and couldn't figure out where to go. So, yeah.
Okay, they also made it so like it's hard to find the exit. I think
That's
like
totally on purpose.
you can like shop forever in here, and we were like, "Where's the exit?" We had to ask somebody to give us directions. That was a Ferrari. That was the first Ferrari slash, I think it was a Lamborghini actually that we saw.
I feel like I'm officially in Dubai now after that. I was waiting for that.
Bye-bye. Bye, sir.
Look at this.
It's the Mexican spot. I've been long overdue for it.
Oh no.
I tripped on a jalapeno.
First impressions of Dubai. Obviously it is insanely expensive, but I think everyone knows that at this point. It also, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't say this, it also has like a little bit of like Disney vibe.
Yeah.
Of just where it doesn't so much feel like a city that people are living in. It feels like an amusement park. Everything is so perfectly clean and decorated, and
There's
yeah.
a lot of attractions, like a lot of kind of crazy stuff that you can do. Like we saw the indoor skiing, indoor snow skiing that you can do here. So it's like 104 degrees out, and you can indoor snow ski.
This is maybe not my favorite place that we have been, for a few reasons. We also did just get off of like an 8-hour flight and came straight into seeing the city. And so I know we haven't seen like a full picture of it yet, but it just feels, it feels like it's missing some of the things that make me fall in love with a place. I think that's why maybe we just are not totally feeling the vibes. I think that is one of the great things about traveling though, is sometimes you find places that you just absolutely fall in love with and you don't want to leave, and it's one of the best places you've ever been. And then of course it's a big world, there's a lot of places to see, and there will be places that you just don't vibe with as much, and everyone's looking for different things and a different experience, and there's no really right or wrong answer of what people do or don't like. And that's the whole point of, well, not the whole point, but one of the points of traveling.
You got a Lamborghini right there.
We've gotten so lucky that both times when we were walking in this area, we saw the fountain show, and then now we just also saw the light show without even planning it. So that was very lucky. What happened?
My yogurt exploded in my bag. Like, literally exploded.
Oh my gosh, our hard drive?
Yeah. All the electronics, like... Oh my gosh. Man, this thing, like...
Oh my gosh.
This thing, like, when I say it's, like...
Our charger?
At least I got a cover on my case, but...
Your computer? Is this stuff still gonna work?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, there's literally a puddle in the bottom. Where's the bathroom? I don't even know what to do.
Go wash your hand, and I will try and start cleaning this up. Can you get more napkins?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is our converter, our portable charger. This is our hard drive with all of our video and picture, contact solution, another portable charger. It is everywhere. literally smells.
Yeah, and just wait like 3 days and then it'll smell real good.